Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you to get gold bars in Candy Crush Saga. Getting gold bars in Candy Crush is very easy. So without any delay, let's get started. Participate in games and events and challenges. Special events, join events like Candy Crush Roll, Chocolate Box. These events often reward players with gold bar for completing certain tasks or reaching specific milestones. Participate in seasonal events which may offer gold bar as a prize. Daily bonus. Log in daily to collect free rewards. Occasionally, these bonus may include gold bars. Purchase gold bars. If you are willing to spend money, you can purchase gold bars directly through the in-game store. Winning the jackpot or the boost wheel. Rarely you might hit the jackpot and the daily booster wheel, which can include gold bars. Participate in leaderboard. Climb up the leaderboard ranking in events to earn gold bar as prize for being among the top players. And here you go, these are some ways you can earn gold bars in Candy Crush Saga. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.